How does Temu coupons work? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Temu coupons are promotional discounts that allow users to save money when purchasing items on the Temu platform. There are various types of Temu coupons, namely new user coupons, category-specific coupons, store-wide coupons, referral coupons, seasonal and holiday coupons, and coins to coupons. And now to use your coupon, browse through Temu and select the items you want to purchase. Next, go to your cart and proceed to the payment screen. If a coupon is available, you will see an option to apply it at checkout. Select the coupon from the list or manually enter a coupon code if applicable. Confirm that the discount has been applied before completing the purchase, and finally proceed with the payment and enjoy the savings. So this is how Temu coupons work. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.